Hey everyone, welcome to Cast&Craft. I'm super excited to share this video with you. In this video, I'm going to show you how I built a portable metal foundry right at home. In this video, I'll take you through its entire process of construction. I'll also cover the materials and tools you'll need, share some tips and tricks I learned along the way. By the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to build your own portable foundry capable of melting copper, brass, aluminum, and other metals. So, let's get started with the materials I'm going to use to build this high-temperature furnace. First, I'm starting with this abandoned metal stove. It is 12 inches in diameter and 14 inches tall, which gives enough space to accommodate this crucible. I'm glad the stove has a built-in hole. I escaped to work hard on it. This hole is perfect for attaching the burner later on. These are fire bricks, essential for lining the inside of the stove. Fire bricks can withstand extremely high temperatures, making them ideal for creating a safe and durable foundry chamber. To hold the fire bricks together, I mixed fire clay with fire cement, and later on I will use sodium silicate as a bonding agent. Finally, I am using fiberglass wool as insulation to prevent the outer surface from getting hot. Now that we've got our materials ready, it's time to dive into the step-by-step process of building this portable metal foundry. I need to chamfer the bricks to make sure they fit snugly inside the stove. Next, I'm preparing a small amount of mortar for this step. It's a bit challenging today because the wind is blowing fast, so I'm working carefully to keep everything in place. Mortar prepared with sodium silicate sets very quickly, so I'm working fast. I have about 2 minutes to apply it before it starts to harden, so I'm quickly applying the mortar to the bricks and between the gaps. Before masonry work begins, I'm adding fiberglass wool inside the furnace. And here it is, the finished furnace. Sleek, portable, and ready to turn up the heat. In the next video, we'll fire this up and show you the first test run. If you enjoyed this build, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to Cast and Craft.